Step into a compact SUV that delivers big on personality, performance, and practicality with this 2016 Nissan Juke. 1.2 DIG Unconnected Euro 6s, S5 drive, with just 47,000 miles, and only 2 careful owners from new. This striking white Juke has been well maintained and is ready to impress its next driver. ULEZ compliant and powered by a punchy yet efficient 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. It's built for the city but more than capable of stretching its legs on the open road. The manual transmission gives you a connected, engaging drive that puts you in control, while the Euro 6 rating ensures you're keeping emissions low and costs manageable. The Juke's unique styling sets it apart from the crowd, and in this clean white finish, it looks as fresh and modern today as it did when it first hit the road. Inside, the unconnected trim brings you a great level of technology and convenience, from satellite navigation to a reversing camera, keyless entry, and a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system. Everything is designed to make your life on the road easier and more enjoyable. The elevated driving position provides confidence-inspiring visibility, and despite its compact size, the Juke offers impressive practicality with flexible rear seating and useful boot space. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking for a stylish runaround, or simply want something different from the usual options, this Nissan Juke delivers a distinctive look, strong spec, and a trusted nameplate with a reputation for reliability. ULEZ compliant, efficient, and easy to live with, this Juke offers the perfect mix of fun and function. Ready to stand out? Schedule a viewing today.